Gondor Sandwich Biscuit Machine. Adjust machine speed and temperature. Width adjustable for different cookie shapes. With heat preservation function. Ensure the flow of the filling. The discharge speed is adjustable. Can dispense multiple fillings. Food grade 304 stainless steel. Apply a variety of fillings. Adjustable width conveyor belt. Precise and uniform filling. The biscuit and filling blend perfectly. Ensure even sandwich volume. Flexible adaptation to multiple products. Arrange biscuits neatly for easy packaging. Client feedback.
I'm here in Denmark, and I just wanted to tell you about this machine that I bought about a year ago. Yeah, it's been amazing. It's been wonderful.